Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to be showing y'all the process of what I do every day for Mango and Sam. So I start off with Sam because he's the biggest one and he makes the biggest mess. I had already emptied the things out, but because I made a video before this in, I don't like it, but so you're gonna get this, and I put my water in here before so I didn't have to go out because I don't know how to do good editing yet. But this is water. I washed it out. And this is his bird feed for him. So you get it, and this is the one his food goes in. But if I change it every day, I don't have to clean it because I'm not gonna put a lot because he's new and that's kind of a lot, yeah. But he doesn't really eat that much because he's getting used to his environment. Now let me go ahead and take Mango's out. Use Mango. Mango does the same. He took a bath in his this morning. So you're gonna get that. And Sam's, I'm opening Sam's thing. And well, here, wait, let me push it down quick. Well, okay, I'll just do it. That's enough. He doesn't really. That's the fill line for them, but so I'm gonna put this right here. It's Mango's cage is small, but Mango's cage is pretty small. We're getting a new one soon, but yeah, you're getting more food. And put these in a little waste jar. And then I get his food. Oops. And then we get this. And what I do is I just come over here and I just dump it in the toilet. Wash it and I wash it. You come over here. And I refill his one because I refill his about 2 times a day because he likes to take baths. Like, he's like a human, take baths every day. But that's a lot, so. But, so I get his, I get Sam's. See, look at him. Yeah. He's still new, so he's still kind of scared of everything. But it seems like he tries to bite me all the time, but actually he just plays with my fingers. He's really calm. But he's gonna get used to this. So you get this, and you're filling all the stuff. Okay. He has clean food for the next day. This is all tonight. He's already ate, so he's not gonna eat anymore. So, and Mango, I don't give him his food yet. He has to wait till I let Mango out. I usually leave his door open, so. But he doesn't come out that much. I've only had him for a day, but. Then I get Mango stuff. get his stuff. And I wrap it up. Then I get this. Oh, no. Don't hurt yourself. Give me a second. Then I put it in here. I take this out at the end of the day. And then I get all of his papers again, and I redo them. And that part is gonna come out because I clean that part all the time. Okay, so this, then I get some new paper. If you watch my last video, you'll see all the stuff I have. Hold on, I'll come back. Okay, well, I've already done mangoes because he doesn't like the paper. He tries to get the paper, but so mangoes. Put in his food. Put in his water. And then mango. Come on. I get mango and I put him right there on his cage because he doesn't really. He likes to come off his cage, but not when I'm doing him because you never know what could happen. Mango is doing that. And I have these as my trash bags because. So I do the same thing. I do it with his. I redo all of it. And then I go like that. Mango's right there. Mango. Then I set that right there. And I'll be back to go get the broom. Okay, so yeah, I had to get the broom, but Mango doesn't like the broom at all. He has something with it. Look. I'm just doing this for the video, but never get your bird mad for no reason. Look. Hates the broom. Then look, you see? So when I have it, he'll mistake me for the broom. When I have my fingers on it, then he'll bite me in the broom. So yeah, we built this whole thing. It's really merm. That's a dance. Yeah. Yeah. So that's him. That's Sam. I made these toys. I made that one. He really likes this one. He's already chewed all of it up. Made that one. That one, we did this rope. This is his rope he sleeps on. See, Mango's trying to get the broom. But, so I'm sweeping all of it up. And I'm thinking of putting one trash bag down right here. Because he doesn't poop on this side. On this side. This is where his play place is. Where he hangs out all the time. So we got him for a breeder. Excuse me, Mango, you're gonna have to. Okay. Yeah. They're both very, they put all that there. And then, what Mango? Oh, he's still mad. He's a little mad now. But it takes him a little bit to get over it. And I don't know what happened to. Oh, here it is. Yeah, this is his new trash bag. Hold on, let me just get that set up for y'all. So what I do with this trash bag is try to stretch it out as much as I can. And then I get I mean Sam. I get Sam's cage and I just set it down. And then we are all done with taking care of the birds for right now. Then I leave his cage open all the time. And that is how I clean my birds. Water on cage. Then I'm gonna have to redo. Get some more trash bags. I have this wire here because if he rips off a piece, like he ripped off this and this, I just use these little purchase to do. I got him that. So what I'll do is, like, if he bites it off, repatch it there. So that, then his other stuff. And then this is where they live. His cage is really big. He has a good space cage. He doesn't. His cage is very bad for him. So what I'm thinking is take all this off and put a big cage right here. Then, yes, that is how I do my bird cage. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Mango's pretty happy, see? He's pretty happy too. He's dancing. Thank y'all. Please like, subscribe, and comment.